I'm going to select a rich text activity to add to my course. Buzz's rich text editor is similar to text editors you would find in Microsoft Word, Google Docs, and most other word processors. It appears in a lot of places throughout the Buzz LMS. However, teachers will use it mostly when they're creating activities within their course, and students will use it the most when they're completing certain types of activities. The Buzz Rich Text Editor includes a lot of different options and things that you can do with Buzz's Rich Text Editor. You can change the look of your text, so you can bold, italicize, or underline. You can change your font families, as well as the font size, color, and background color. Just like any other word processing or Google Doc editor you've seen, you can change the alignment. You can do ordered lists or bulleted lists. Within Buzz, you can also insert emojis. So if you click on the emoji, it'll bring up a list, and you can then select one and insert it into the actual text. You can also insert links. So you could say website, highlight the word, and then link that word to a specific site. Another feature within Buzz's Rich Text Editor is that you can use the Draw tool. So if you click on the Draw pencil, it will take you out to the drawing platform in which you can select from a lot of different options again. So you can draw freehanded or specifically straight lines. Free would allow you to move wherever. You can adjust the color and the size of the pen or pencil. You can also insert shapes. You can fill the shapes. You can insert icons, text, and then you can rotate and crop images as well. Once you have landed on what it is that you want to include within your rich text editor, you would click Save Changes. That then will appear within the rich text editor box. Other options within your Buzz Rich Text Editor include inserting an image that you have saved onto your computer or from your Google Drive. You can insert a YouTube video directly, which will then allow that video to display right within the Rich Text Editor. You can also utilize the equation tool by clicking on the Insert Equation button. This then allows you to search for specific mathematical or equation symbols that might be helpful. So you might want to do the root y of x, but you can then change. You might want to do the cubed root of 225. So if it looks the way you'd like it, then you can save. Then students will see what you've just typed as an equation. Another option within the Rich Text Editor is to utilize tables, or you can also use code. Once I've finished drafting my rich text activity, notice I've given it a title, and I'm actually going to select my emoji and make the font a bit bigger, which will increase the size. Then you would select OK. And you will see that activity then appear within your editor view. Notice that it puts it directly at the bottom because, again, we selected that add activity. We did not select a specific folder to put it. However, as a reminder, you can then click that activity and drag it wherever you'd like. So let's say I want to drag this all the way to the top. It will then appear before the Getting Started for Students folder. If you would like to place the activity within a folder, you can again click and drag the activity to the specific folder. If you hover over the folder long enough, notice it turns green and then it will expand. And from there you can place the activity wherever you would like it within the folder itself.